Okay, so here's how to make it realistic and trackable using Google Sheets. Step one is you set your start and end date. So for example, we will start today, June 21, 2025, and our end date is December 31, 2025. If your goal is to save this amount for the year. Step two is you use the dated if formula to know how many days you'll be saving. So in a cell, you can copy this formula. I will also put it in the comments so you can easily copy or in the caption. So it's equals dated if, and then you select the start date and then the end date and then the small letter D. So let's say that gives us 193 days. So there are 193 days between today until December 31, 2025. Step 3 is you input your goal amount. For example, we have 50,000 pesos. Step 4 is you divide the 50,000 by the 193 days. So that will give us 259 pesos and 7 cents per day. Okay, so if 259 pesos a day seems too much, you can always adjust your goal to something that is more realistic with your current situation. So adjust your goal amount or adjust your target date. If you find it too complicated, just hit that follow button, comment down your start and end date as well as your goal amount, then I will be more than happy to compute it for you.